Kolhapur Institute of Technology's College of Engineering Autonomous Kolhapur is the only institute in Maharashtra offering BTech program in environmental engineering since its inception, that is from 1983. So it's been a journey of 36 years towards academic excellence. There are around 7 institutes in India offering such program at undergraduate level. Since long, students from all over India have graduated in this promising program. Department also offers MTech program in environmental engineering. Department of Environmental Engineering has been accredited 3 times by National Board of Accreditation, New Delhi. The students undergo an academic program based on necessary fundamental and applied courses on major domains of civil engineering and emphasizing on environmental engineering domains such as water and wastewater engineering, air and noise pollution control, solid and hazardous waste management, environmental laws and policies, industrial health and safety, remote sensing, GIS, GPS and environmental geotechnology. Alumni of department are working at high positions in central and state government departments, public limited sectors, top multinational companies in India and abroad. Department has pan-India consultancy and excellent revenue generation. Faculty members as well as students are actively involved in consultancy activities. Department has effective training and placement cell and provides training, internship, placement opportunities and guidance to students to be successful in their career. Department also provides guidance for GATE, GRE, TOEFL and other competitive examinations. Students with consistent academic performance grab opportunities in various organizations through campus placement, as well as many students go for their higher studies in IITs, NITs and other reputed universities and institutes in India and abroad. So, the branch of environmental engineering has very promising future as the environmental issues and quality is becoming urgent and top priority issue at all levels.